Hello students of grade 11. Today we'll start a chapter set, the first chapter of uh, mathematics. And this chapter is very important. If you can do this chapter, you'll be able to do the next chapter, relation and function, as well as this is applicable in doing probability also for grade 11. So let us define set first. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. It's a collection of any object, but it must be well-defined. Suppose I can say that A, E, I, O, U is well-defined. It's a collection of vowels in English alphabet, A, E, I, O, U. If I write a set B like that, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, collection of square number up to 5. It's a well-defined set. We can say that it's a square number from 1 to 5. This is a vowel of English alphabet. So these are well-defined objects. So you have to know that a set is a well-defined collection of an object. Now, in which situation it is not well-defined? It is not well-defined in which situation? Suppose you were asked to write the best 5 footballer of the world. We cannot say which one is the best. Clear? Some player may play well today, some may not play well today. Some player may play well, other player may play well tomorrow. So these are not well defined. Suppose if I ask you to write the collection of best movie, 5 best movie, so everyone's point of view will be different. So these are not well defined. So set, you have to know that it is well defined collection of an objects. Clear? Now this set can be represented in 2 forms. One is roster form. The other name of roster form is tabular form or set builder form. Okay, let me explain the roster form. In this form, all the elements of a set are listed within the bracket. Like this, you are listing the element within the bracket. Clear? Within the bracket and separated by commas. This is roster form. Okay, clear? For example, I wrote A, E, I, O, U. Set B, suppose I write 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, whatever. Third set I am writing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are roster form. Okay, we write the element with the comma. One element comma, second element comma, third element comma. Clear? Now in set builder form, how we have to write the statement. We have to write the properties that satisfy each element. For example, for this how to write the statement is set builder form. Okay, how to write the statement for this? Set A, how we write x, this 2 dot means such that x, such that, you have to read like that. 2 dot means such that x, such that x is the set of all vowels in English alphabet. Suppose we want to write a statement for this in set builder form. How will you write? X such that x is a square number or we can write in numerical form also. X such that x equal to n square. And what is the condition of n? N is from 1 to 7. From 1 to 7. Clear? Or we can say the statement x such that x is a square number less than 8 or up to 7. Clear? Third statement, I'm going to represent this roster form from set builder form. I have written here C equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if it starts from 0, it's a whole number. So we can say that C equal to X such that X is a whole number less than 7 or less than 6, since you're writing up to 5. This is just an explanation, okay, but it's better if you write it down. Next, you have to know some of the symbols in sets. In set n means, capital N means the set of natural numbers. When we say natural numbers, these are counting number starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, goes on till infinite, okay? W means the set of whole number. Whole number start from 0, 1, 2, 3, and it goes on. Clear? Z or Z means the sets of integers. Integers, all the positive number, all the negative number, and 0 are integers. So Z represent integers. Q represent what? Sets of rational number. Rational number means any number in the form of P by Q. It can be 1 by 2, 3 by 5, minus 4 by 8. These are all rational number. So there are infinite rational number. Clear? Any number in the form of P by Q. These are also rational. This can be written in the form of P by Q, 3 by 1, 2 by 1, 1 by 1, 0 by 1. This is also rational number, 2 by 1, 3 by 1, 1 by 1. So all the natural numbers are also rational number, whole numbers are also rational number, and Z means integers are also rational number. So any number in the form of P by Q is rational number. Real number means it consists of rational number and irrational number. You have done in grade 10. Rational number in the form of P by Q, it can be 1, minus 5 by 3, whatever, 0, 7 by 8. And irrational number are all those root number, root 2, root 3, root 5. You have done in grade 10. Even pi is irrational number. So real number consists of rational and irrational number. Clear? Z plus means the set of positive number. Actually Z is integer, but Z plus means it's a positive number. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, and goes on. And Q plus means set of rational number, but it must be positive. It can be 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 5 by 7, no negative. Clear? R plus means set of positive real number. If you are taking root 2 also, it must be positive, no negative. Root 5 or 3 by 7 minus, you cannot take 2 by 8. These are all positive real number. So R plus means sets of all positive real number. Now in this exercise 1.1, you also have to know this symbol. This is like an E. We write curve like a C and make one line here. This means belong to, and if you write this E and cut it, we say does not belong to. Does not belong to, okay? This means belong to, and this means does not belong to. Suppose a set is given, we can say that 2 belongs to A. Even 4 belongs to A. What about if I write 7 belongs to or does not belongs to A? 7 does not belongs to A. 7 is not here in this set. Or we can say 11 does not belong to A. Whichever element is there in A, we can say that 4 belongs to A, 6 belongs to A, 8 belongs to A, 10 belongs to A. But these numbers are not there in A, we will say 7 does not belong to A, 11 does not belongs to A. Clear? You can pause the video to write all this. In the next video we'll do exercise 1.1. Thank you.